Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. The first time when I saw a recipe, I was in college. A friend of mine showed me a recipe of a chocolate chip cookie. Now I come across recipe everywhere. You'll find it on the internet, in the newspaper, in the back of different type of products, and you will find cookbook on nearly every bookshelf. I would like to tell you a story about this very special lady whom I grew up around her when I was in Hong Kong. I watched her cook almost every day for most of my childhood, and I remember all the delightful food that she made for my family and me. She had no cookbook and no recipe. All she has is her skill and her imagination. She was a legend around the people who I know at the time. I still remember when I was 10 years old, my parents came back from an overseas trip. They were very excited about a dish they tried out in a local restaurant, and they described it to her. On the following day, she cooked a dish based on their description. I still can remember the expression of incredulity on my parents' face. They later told everyone she not only has captured the essence of the dish, but she also make them taste better because she know their taste preference. This story has become our family legend. I can still remember that day so vividly as it had happened yesterday. And of course, not everybody I know at the time could cook as well as she does with the imagination and skill, but they were all very good cooks. And now looking back, I came to realize in those days, people cook with ideas rather than recipes. They cook with a basic set of templates, and then they use this template to put their ideas, and from there they create their own unique dishes. From these templates, they already know what type of seasoning that will look good, and they also know what ingredients will go well with each other and how long to cook certain ingredients. Using their templates, they're free to substitute, create, and try different things within the framework. I would like to call them jazz of cooking because they try different things through improvisation within a set of motifs. With their past experience of using this template, they have good idea how things is going to turn out, so it gives them the freedom to try. Now I can see how template cooking is the foundation for cooking without following strict recipes. So it is not recipeless. This type of cooking are actually guided by a general recipe which provide the framework for the cooking steps. I believe the reason that my childhood idol was a superior cook because she had amassed a large repertoire of templates that allow her to experiment and create more than most people could. Over the years, I have accumulated templates of different kinds, from stir-fry to baking, with templates from different cuisines, all the way from Italian, Chinese, Thai, Indian. I have created a repertoire that allow me to create fusion dishes that I would have never able to do before. Recently, I posted a video of 7 different meals over 7 days to demonstrate how this template works. This template method has many other benefits, and I will discuss them in future videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. I'm looking forward to see you again soon. Please stay safe.